Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be inking and painting quite simple sunset with some floral doodles. And for that, again, I did use this Hahnemuller sketchbook. For the brushes, I used this number 0 quill brush from Raphael. For the watercolors, I used Viviva color sheets, yellow ochre, burnt umber, burnt sienna, sap green, and some Viridian. I also did use this Micron 03 ink pen and the pencil and kneaded eraser to draw my sketch and then later on remove pencil lines. And that's all the supplies I did use. So without the further ado, let's get to it. So again, starting off with a very simple and light sketch. I'm gonna draw a horizon line, and I do have a stain from my previous painting on the other side, so I decided to just use it in this drawing, in this illustration. So I drew some circles around it for some bush, drew in also a sun at the horizon line and couple of florals, very simple half ellipse shape, some more of the grasses and flowers at the ground. And with that, I'm done with the sketch. So just gonna do the inking. Again, quite basic, going on top of the lines that I already did. And I am making my lines quite sketchy, drawy, not perfectly straight, or just one straight line. Just making it interesting. They don't have to be perfect. The shapes doesn't have to be perfect, don't have to be perfect, you know. You can just do it the way you please and like, and make it fun, enjoyable, whimsical. Some more details, and also add a bit more ink at the bottom of my florals. As I mentioned, I'd use kneaded eraser to remove the pencil lines. Now that I drew my ink on top, and then I'm gonna do a little bit more of the embellishments and just some shading, stylizing of my drawing, which you can do again just the way you please. Just remember to have fun. That's the point of this. Nothing serious, and this idea is something that you can also use for the cards. You know, why not? Some leaves again, and a bit more ink at the horizon line, and also here for the sun I decided to add a couple of more grasses. And now with the yellow I'm gonna paint in the sun and a reflection, and then burnt sienna to add a bit more of the darker paint of more orangey tone at the bottom of the sun and to the reflection, adding some more of the burnt umber and some splatters around it just to make it a little bit more fun. I'm gonna use Viridian for the florals. That's something like a turquoise. And then also some more of the sap green for the ground and the grass. Quite loose again. My strokes are very, very loose. A little bit of the green for the foliage, not trying to stay within the edges of my sketch. And to finish it off, a little bit more of the splatters. I did dry it and decided to add just a few more splatters with Viridian and add a bit more of the details maybe with the ink, but only after it completely dried. And with that, I'm done, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and find it fun and enough to just try it yourself and have fun with it. Again, thank you so much for joining me today. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here for beginners and advanced painters, and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. Again, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!